So here in this CLAAS 8900 combine is Chris from Hollingsworth, and they're combining this maize. It was going to be forage before, but it's just been that wet this year that they've only had the option is to leave it, and when the land is capable of being run on, they've come in then with the combines and they've got this done. And this is down at Thoresby. This will then go off to a dairy farm, and this maize corn will be crimped and fed to dairy cattle. As always, leave any comments below, give the video a cheeky thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.